Cookies are small text files that are used by websites to store information on users' computers. They are commonly used to remember user preferences, login details, and other information, making browsing the internet more efficient and personalized. While cookies can be useful for users, they can also pose a potential cybersecurity threat. One of the most common uses of cookies in cyber attacks is through session hijacking. This occurs when an attacker steals a user's cookie and uses it to impersonate them, gaining unauthorized access to their accounts. This can happen when a website does not use secure cookies or when a user connects to an unsecured network, allowing hackers to intercept their data. Session hijacking can be prevented by using secure cookies that are encrypted and have a limited lifespan. Another way cookies can be exploited is through cross-site scripting, XSS, attacks. In this type of attack, a hacker injects malicious code into a website that a user visits, which then steals their cookies and sends them back to the attacker. This can happen when a website does not properly validate user input, allowing hackers to inject code. To prevent XSS attacks, website owners need to ensure their websites are secure and use proper coding practices. Cookies can also be used for tracking users' online activity, which raises privacy concerns. Some websites use third-party cookies to track user behavior across multiple sites, building a profile of their interests and habits. This can allow advertisers to target users with personalized ads and also present a privacy risk if the data is leaked or sold to third parties. Some users may want to delete cookies periodically or use browser extensions to block cookies altogether to protect their privacy. In addition to these threats, cookies can also be used in phishing attacks. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack where a hacker tricks a user into giving them sensitive information. In some cases, attackers may use cookies to make their phishing attempts more convincing, making the user think they are interacting with a legitimate website. Overall, cookies play a significant role in cybersecurity, and it is crucial for users and website owners to be aware of their potential risks and take necessary measures to protect themselves. This includes using secure cookies, keeping software and browsers up to date, and being cautious about clicking on suspicious links or providing sensitive information online. By taking these precautions, users can help mitigate the risks associated with cookies and improve their overall online security.